Hey guys, welcome to another video of me doing fidget spinner. Today, I'm going to be trying to do it on my toe, but if I don't do it, I might do it in my other video.
Take your sock off.
I'm doing it.
No, you're not. You're doing it on your sock.
I'm doing it on my toe.
On your sock because you have socks on.
Well, that was the end of my video. Please subscribe.